We in the Orange County District Attorney's Office are very happy and very proud of our trial attorney partnership. It's been an innovative way of working together with the private bar and helping the District Attorney's Office in handling a lot of matters with shrinking budgets and shrinking resources. The reason that we created the TAP program in the first place was to partner with the private attorneys, to exchange experiences with them, to help them to get experience in our office.
Well, the way I heard about the TAP program was through my law firm. I was working at a large firm doing civil litigation, and the program was offered to our firm, and I was one of the first people at my firm to be given the opportunity to participate in the program.
When the private attorneys in the TAP program come into our office, their duties are the same as a deputy district attorney in the office. They're sworn in as deputy district attorneys, and they handle cases. They do all of the various things that have to be done in our criminal cases. They file cases. They review cases for investigation that might have to be done. They handle jury trials of cases. They do preliminary hearings of felony cases. They just do all of the work that a deputy DA does for the time that they're here.
What interested me in the program is simple: the ability to have get immediate trial experience. As a civil lawyer, most of our cases don't go to trial, so having the opportunity to get into the courtroom and try cases literally on the first day was very exciting, and that was really what drew me to the program.
The TAP attorneys who come to us serve a minimum of 9 weeks. There's a week of training, and we give them all the regular type of training that deputy district attorneys get in terms of our policies and things that we need to do in the office. And then they serve for 8 weeks working with us as regular deputy DAs.
Well, the process for becoming a TAP attorney was first an educational class. It was, I believe, a 2-week classroom setting where we learned about the basics of criminal law and procedure, and that was taught by various district attorneys. And so there was an educational part, and then it's right into the courtroom and starting work. There really wasn't a long lead-in period. It was hit the ground running. Our
TAP attorneys handle all kinds of misdemeanor cases. They could be domestic violence cases. They might be driving under the influence, assault and battery, petty theft, grand theft if it's filed as a misdemeanor. All sorts of cases. My cases in the TAP program
were very interesting. I still to this day remember my first trial as if it occurred yesterday. It was a assault on a police officer case, and the judge, he didn't want to try the case. He wanted it to settle. Of course, I was there to try cases, but I hadn't tried a case yet. So I was here arguing to the judge that we should try this case, and we didn't want to plea it out, and the judge was trying to settle it. Well, ultimately, the judge said, okay, we're going to have a trial then. And at that point, I thought to myself, wow, what did I just get myself into? And that was literally, on the first or second day, and 30 minutes later, 45 Orange County citizens came up. We picked a jury, and it was a 3-day jury trial, and I got a guilty verdict, which was very exciting. But the experience was just invaluable. It was just wonderful.
Up to this point, since 2003, we've had 90 private attorneys come in and participate as members of the TAP program. And they've tried quite a number of jury trials, over 165 jury trials. They've handled somewhere in the neighborhood of 300 felony preliminary hearings. They've done hundreds of motions, and as a result of all this, the savings to the county has been well over $2.5 million.
Giving back to the county was certainly a benefit. It was a plus. I mean, the main goal was to get trial experience, but the fact that at the same time we could help the county out, that was definitely a benefit. Essentially, it's volunteer work, and I enjoy doing volunteer work, so that was a nice plus.